Hey guys, what's up? Network Gaming here, and today I'll be teaching you guys how to enable Ultimate Performance Mode on your Windows 10 PC. So Ultimate Performance Mode has been an update since the April update, and this particular mode has only been implemented to the workstation versions of Windows. And for those home users out there like me, we are not going to be using Windows 10 workstation. We are going to be using either Windows 10 Pro or Windows 10 Home. Something along the lines of that. So you can't enable this on a traditional Windows 10 PC, but there's a way around it. You can get this piece of code that I'll link in the description, and to show you guys that I'm running Windows 10 Pro, I'll show you guys too. It should work on home. It works on home, not should. It works on home. It works on any edition of Windows 10. No matter what you have, it will work. And these are my specs, by the way. And processor is overclocked slightly, not by a lot, decently overclocked. And getting back to the point, you can copy this link from this code from the description, and then what you have to do is click on the Windows button and type cmd, and right click on this and run as administrator. Now if you simply right click on this any area on the screen, like I said in the middle, you should get this code. If you have already copied it, right clicking using your mouse should get you this code, and then simply hit enter. Now you should get a line like this. If you get any errors, that means you haven't copied it right, or your computer already has Ultimate Performance. So you should get a line like this with Ultimate Performance at the end within brackets. So simply exit out of command prompt after this by typing exit, and then you can hit power on the start button and choose a power plan. As you can see, it's coming up thrice now because I tried to record the video thrice and my voiceover stopped working, so just ignore that. If you should have it just once, because I recorded thrice and I'm getting it thrice. Ignore it, but it should be on this. Just shift it over to Ultimate Performance and you should be good to go. And that's pretty much it for this. And if it doesn't work for you guys, please leave a comment on what error you got. And if it does work, please recommend this video to others. And as always, like the video, subscribe for more. Peace out.